Smart city is the one of the impact of the IoT. So last lectures I have already discussed the impacts of IoT, are connected roadway and the connected factories. Okay. So then now here I am going to discuss the smart city. So when you think about the smart city, so first we have to deal with the IoT, right? The smart city, that means whatever things are there, like in factories, infrastructure, road, everything is associated with the internet, right? So that is the IoT infrastructure. Okay, so now what are the points are coming into under the smart city? First is that means here sensor, network. Okay, these two parts are main components if you want to design the smart city. Each and every object should be connected with the sensor as well as the network hub. Okay, and cloud storage should be there. Now, what are the advantages if the normal city will become a smart city, right? First is the So I will write other advantages also. First I am telling about the smart waste management. Okay, so smart waste management that I have discussed when I have already told about the smart factories. Okay, smart waste management means suppose you you have the one garbage. Okay, here you can connect a sensor. So what are the advantages if we design the smart waste management? Okay, normally it reduces energy. Okay, so if we design the smart waste management, it will reduce the cost, time as well as the energy. Okay, so normally the sensor will be connected with the garbage. Okay, sensor is connected. So if the garbage is full, okay, then the sensor will send the information to the cloud. Okay, and the garbage driver, okay, they can see all the information from the cloud. Okay, that will transfer to the garbage contain track. Okay, so suppose in a city lots of garbage containers are there, so the truck rather going to search for each and every garbage, they can check from the cloud data which garbage is full, so they can directly go to that particular garbage, right? So this is the main advantage. So in this way they can reduce the cost, time and energy. Again I am repeating, the sensor is connected to the garbage if the garbage is full. So lots of garbage containers are there. So if the one particular garbage container is full, so that information will be transferred into the cloud. Okay, so from the cloud the garbage driver can see which garbage is full and they can go to the particular place for collecting the garbage. Okay, so in this way they can reduce the time. Okay, and they can reduce power and energy also, right? So energy, time, cost, everything can be reduced if we design the smart waste management. Again, if lots of garbage, if any one garbage is already full, okay, and no one is collected, then what will happen? There will be rush in that particular location. Okay, so this thing also can be reduced by designing the smart waste management. Next I am telling about the smart lighting. Okay, smart lighting means along with the smart lighting, smart traffic and smart parking. These points are also there. Smart traffic lighting. So first we'll tell about the smart lighting. Okay, so in the road lots of light posts are there. So rather than turn, so here you can see the total distance is suppose 10 kilometers. Okay, so in 10 kilometers lots of light posts are there, right? So what do you mean by the smart lighting? So each sensor will be connected connected with each and every light post. Okay, here also sensor is connected in each and every light post. Sensor is connected. Okay, so what will happen when suppose a particular car passing through this particular light post? Okay, that time the sensor will detect the car motion of the car. Okay, sensor will detect the motion of the car, and this value will be transferred into the cloud, and from the cloud they will give some particular decision, so that the particular light post, the light will be turned on. Okay, from the particular light post. Once the car passed from that light post, then again what will happen? So based on the motion of that car, the light will be turned off. Okay, so that is called the smart lighting. Again, suppose here also that one car is there. Okay, car is coming towards this light post and no light is turned on. Okay, in case of the normal lighting system. But in case of the smart lighting system, if again the car is coming towards this light post, okay, then what will happen? Again, based on the algorithm, this light will again turn on. Okay, so in this way, what will happen? This can give the safety management. Okay, so for that, what will happen? The car can move through the road. Okay, and in this way they can manage the safety management. Okay, so what I am telling, so if any light is turned off already, so through the light through the motion sensor of the car, the light can be turned on, or if no car is passing through the particular location, if any light post is turned on already, so that can be turned off by using the smart lighting system. Okay, so the smart lighting system is also coming under the smart city. Okay, next is the smart traffic. Next to the smart traffic. So again, this is associated with the smart road only. Okay, so here in different location of the city, various sensors are connected which can give the information about the flow of traffic. Okay, this can give the information about the flow of traffic. Okay, so sensor is connected here and in different location, that will give the information of flow of traffic. Okay, this data again that will pass into the cloud. Okay, so from here the user can see or analyze the traffic data. Okay, they can see or analyze the traffic data, and suppose in this area is congested, very much congested, so the user or in a driver can go in the different location. Okay, through the different direction it can go from one location to another location. Okay, so that is a smart traffic. So here also the sensor is, so here I told that in smart, under the smart city, two main components are associated. One is the sensor, one is the network. Okay, so here also different sensors are connected in different location which can give the flow of traffic, and that will transfer into the cloud. From the cloud the user can analyze, and accordingly they can take a decision. Next is the smart parking. So in a particular location, suppose 2-3 parking areas are there. Okay, area 1, area 2, area 3. Okay, 3 parking areas are there. So in these 3 areas, sensor is connected. Okay, sensor 2, sensor 3, and sensor 1. Okay, if sensor will not connect, then what will happen? So our car driver will go in this area 1 again. If the parking area is full, then again it will go back to the area 2. In this way it will go to the, suppose area 3 is empty, so it will go to the area 3, right? But already the driver already went to the area 1 and area 2, but these two areas are already full. Okay, so again they went to area 3 for parking. Okay, so this is the normal traditional parking system. Okay, but if you build the smart parking system, so each and every parking area sensor is connected. Okay, so already before going to the area 1, area 2, area 3, the driver can already analyze which area is full, parking area is full. If suppose area 1 is full, they will not go to the area 1, or directly they can go to the area 2 for parking. Okay, if area 1 and area 3 both are full. Okay, so in this way they can also move, also reduce the time, cost and fuel consumption. Okay, they can also reduce these three main components. Okay, time, cost, effort, and reduce area. Okay, these are the advantages if we make a smart parking system. Okay, so that is, so if the driver is not going to the area 1 or area 3, it can directly go to the area 2. Okay, that is about the smart parking. Now come to the noise monitoring and environmental monitoring. Okay, for case of the noise monitoring, okay, so noise monitoring, that is associated with the noise pollution. Okay, so in city you know that there are lots of noise pollution due to the increment of the different kinds of the metro facility, bus service facility, train facility, right? So for that, the noise, different location, again the different sensors are connected which can be detected the noise. Okay, okay, so sensor 1 for noise detection, sensor 2 and so forth. These are connected in different locations. Okay, suppose here these data are entering into the cloud. Okay, so from the cloud, anyone can analyze which location is the hotspot of the noise. Okay, noise pollution. Okay, suppose this is the hotspot of noise pollution. Okay, so every time, suppose the yesterday we have seen this data, analyze this data, and today also we have seen, and every time we can see that this is the hotspot of the noise pollution. This location is the hotspot of the noise pollution. So how can you minimize this noise pollution? Okay, so in this particular location we can build a noise barrier. Okay, and one point is the noise reduction material for building. Okay, these are the reduction mechanism. So suppose this is the hotspot of the noise pollution. Accordingly, noise barrier can be designed or noise reduction material can be chosen for building, for making the particular building for this particular location. Okay, so in this way, so that is this noise monitoring, which is the sensor. We can monitor the noise and we can find out the hotspot of the noise pollution. Next, coming to the environmental monitoring. So in case of the environmental monitoring, so what are the main parameters you have to say collected for environmental monitoring? First is the temperature, humidity, level of dangerous gas. Okay, by using the two parameters we can calculate, we can measure these three properties. Okay, temperature, humidity, level of the gases. So first is the one is the outdoor air quality, one is the indoor air quality. Okay, IAQ, this is the OAQ. Okay, so by using the properties of IAQ and OAQ, we can measure the environment, this temperature, humidity, level of the different gases. Okay, so so that means OAQ, that means this system is associated with the outdoor temperature, humidity and the level of the dangerous gases. Okay, so if suppose some level, so suppose the carbon dioxide level is more, okay, which is measured by the OAQ. Okay, so what will happen, it can, so user can understand that, okay, so today the carbon dioxide level is more, okay, for this particular location we cannot open the window or door. Okay, so that is the one way. So another is the indoor air quality. Okay, so indoor air quality, that can also measure the temperature, humidity and the level of the dangerous gases or CO2. Okay, or different kind of the gases, methane, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. Okay, so what will happen, so before going anything happen, okay, so it can reduce the it can automatically measure the temperature, humidity and level of the dangerous gas, and it can give the notification using the mobile or tablet to the manager of the building, particular building. Okay, so these two ways we can measure the quality, outdoor work air quality and the indoor air quality. Okay, so apart from that, there is a one parameter, that is the smart grid or smart meter. So this smart meter I have already discussed when I have discussed about the smart factory. Okay, so smart meter, this can also detect the, this can also reduce the energy consumption, okay, and the cost also. It can measure the how much power is reduced, okay, by the equality different kind of the energy meter companies, and if any building using the more amount of the power, so before reducing the cost, it can see, and it can check the in that particular building the power consumption is more, we have to analyze this thing. Okay, so by using the smart meter we can reduce the power consumption as well as the cost. Okay, so these are the IoT impacts for smart city. So when the normal city will become a smart city, so if we design the smart environmental monitoring, smart noise monitoring, smart road and the smart parking area, in this way smart meter, smart building means this is associated with the smart waste management and the smart meter. Okay, and the smart city, this is also associated with the smart waste management. Okay, in this way the traditional city, that will become a smart city. Okay, so in the upcoming lecture I will discuss about the what are the main components of the IoT, and what are the main hardware or software components are required for designing the IoT. How many case studies we can design, okay, for making an IoT device. This we will discuss in upcoming lecture. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.